Who's ready for some pimple popping? I warn you, this DIY technique is a doozy as well as an oozy. This young man takes out his blackhead in one big squeeze.
That's a lot. How did... Ooh, wait.
How many hits did that get?
Jacob, okay, so real quick, Drew. This is a certified viral sensation. I think we know why now. Okay.
How long did it take him to grow that?
Well, you know, you can see that he has very thick skin over the tip of his nose. What does that mean? He has a lot of sebaceous glands, sebaceous units in the tip of the nose. So he's collecting all of this sebum at a prolific rate. So what he does, he puts all that pressure by pushing up on the septum, and boom, he's clearing those sebaceous glands, those pores of whiteheads, which are natural sebum, and blackheads. What's a blackhead? Well, a blackhead is a whitehead that has gotten dirt, grease, and has been oxidized by contact with the air. So whiteheads, blackheads come from the same place. They're first cousins. This is not a good idea. We talk about facials. He's just shaking his head. You want to clear your pores. You want to cleanse. You want to exfoliate. Open things up gently, like with a washcloth. Gently try to extract any excess sebum. Pushing like that on the end of your septum is, you can...
He's also, you know, he could be 2-3 days later have swelling and ecchymosis. I mean he could, that amount of pressure to do that has to be
that much
tremendous.
pressure could fester something, so you form one of those really underground, almost like a boil or an abscess.
And you're irritating the skin, right?
Irritating.
What I want to ask Jacob is, how's the dating life after posting that?
Well,
because it's hard to get that image out of your
mind. He wants to get that stuff out before he goes out on a date. He doesn't want that stuff coming out while he's on a date.
Drew, we are short on time here, but anything a guy like Jacob can do to keep those pores nice and tight?
Yeah, I mean, he may have, you know, a case of rosacea, seborrheic inflammation, so he needs to get himself on a regimen, and I touched on it. He needs to cleanse, exfoliate, he needs to clean things out and apply something to minimize that production of sebum. Salicylic acid is good, benzoyl peroxide is good. He needs to be on one of those.